Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you want to ban words on Discord server. So you have a Discord server and you don't want the members to be saying certain words. Today in this video I'll show you how to do that. So we'll go to the browser from here, and then in the browser you just go ahead and go to discord.com. Of course you go ahead and log into your Discord account. I'm doing that right now, as you can see guys, but the feature to ban words basically is not built in on Discord itself. You need to open a new window and just search for Arcane Bot and open this arcane.bot, the first website right here. Go ahead and tap on the first result basically, and then you wait for the website to load up, and once it does it should look like this. So from here, as far as I know, you don't have to log in right now. Just go ahead and tap on add Discord. You might get some ads. Anyways, tap on add Arcane right here. Again, close the ads if they pop up. It shouldn't be so annoying. Anyways, from here you need to go ahead and pick the server. So tap on add to server and tap on the server you want to add word ban into basically. Tap on continue, and then you can read through these and keep the ones you agree with ticked, and then tap on authorize, and then confirm that you're human. You might have to complete a captcha right here. If you don't get one, you're good to go. And then from here tap on accept invite. I'm gonna continue in browser from here, and then before we continue, of course, we haven't picked the words that are going to be banned or you don't want on your server. However, from here just confirm that Arcane was added to your server, and then you go back to another window again, and that's how I'm gonna show you how you're gonna choose the words that you don't want on your server. So again, just Google Arcane Bot. This time don't go in the website, go on dashboard. So tap on dashboard, and then just pick the server that you have added Arcane to previously. So I'm gonna pick this one. Once it loads up, I scroll down until I find moderation, and I go ahead and make sure it is turned on, and then I tap on manage, just like that. And then in moderation, go ahead and scroll down. The first one should be custom words filter. Tap on it. Just tapping on it doesn't mean it is turned on, so go ahead and turn it on. And then as you can see, it says blacklisted words. You just go ahead and type in the words that you want to blacklist, basically the words that you don't want on your Discord server. Once you're done picking up the words, you can go ahead and select the punishment. It's right next to blacklisted words. As you can see, it's selected by default on none. So you tap on it. Let's remove this off of the screen. I'm gonna save the changes for now. And then as you can see, none, you can give him a timeout, kick, or even ban, however you want. If you choose timeout or ban, you get a duration next to it that you might want to tweak in. And again, the channels right here, as you can see. Now, if you pick like another channel, you make sure you go to the server and go to your members and pick Arcane and give Arcane permission to basically control the channel so that it can moderate the channels as well, and you can give it permission to do that to the server as a whole. However, it should be safe, so you can go ahead and do that. And if you want to exempt roles, it's right there. You can choose the roles that are exempt from saying the certain words, and even exempt channels if that's what you want also. And that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in future videos.